Hi, Ana Munoz. I do feel like I'm struggling a bit, to be honest. It's really hard being a full-time special needs mom, a teacher, an administrator. Trying to figure this all out. I'm going to do my best. These 2 courses online are a lot of heavy load, but I really want to become a certified administrator, and I really like teaching and helping my staff. My staff told me today they're happy that I'm in the admin designee because they can come to me and I try to help them. Today I did my first suspension, and I helped a mom understand that even though her son has ADHD, like my son, we still need medical documents to create a 504 plan or some sort of documentation to help him. I have been reading all the documents and the learning objectives like the ISTEs and ELCC standards. There's a lot of reading, and I've learned a lot about school policies and how they work and what's expected from us at Brandman. I do feel like I'm a good communicator. I'm really committed to all learners, and I like to collaborate. I would like to learn more from self-reflection and input from others, and I really do need help with the technology aspect. I do need to learn all the professional demeanor and responsibilities on how to run a school versus just running my classroom. And to be honest, I'm pretty excited for this new challenge. I really want to be a leader who creates positive change in the educational setting. When it came to any questions, my question is, I did an online course for technology, but I got an email back saying I do it, now what? And then my second question is, I wish you would give us some more time because we all just started school again and it's been a lot of work. I've been sleeping like 2 or 3 hours, not very much, trying to get all the readings done. So my question is, could we be a bit more flexible in deadlines for week 1 to move to week 2? What am I excited about? Oh, that's easy. I like to learn about the many styles of leadership. I've never had a class specifically on all those methods and theories. I really need to learn how to be an effective administrator and collaborate with others, and any other processes or standards that might go with being a good administrator. To be honest, last year was really hard. Many bad things happened at my son's special school. I don't want to be mad. I want to enjoy life and be a good mom and a good administrator. So I want to learn through all these systems and processes and ISTEs and ELCCs and all those other objectives how to fix problems and earn my administration degree. I'm really hoping I can create a better school environment, not just for my own kiddo, but for all students. For experiences, I went to Cal Poly San Luis Obispo to learn by doing. I really like that atmosphere in agriculture setting. I have my degree in agriculture education. It helped me better become a teacher and now an administrator in Salinas, California, where the salad bowl of the world. My dad was a migrant field worker, and he did pick in the field, so have I. My mom was a farmer, and we ran the family business, and she did it all, even though it's a male-dominated field in agriculture. She still got all 6 kids to earn higher education. This great family support has helped me build a really good foundation to better educate others. We also have gone through a lot of hardships. I'm now a single mom of a very severe handicapped boy, and we have had to tackle the school system to get him more services. But I feel like all this isn't a burden, it's a blessing. I really love my baby boy. I'm appreciative of my family and all the things they've overcome. And I'm determined to really listen and be there for my students when they go through something. I have 10 years of being a distinguished veteran teacher and over 4,000 students, and I've translated at 400 IEPs. I really plan on using my skills and life knowledge to listen, implement positive change, and really, really always be there for my students and staff.